So the next step is to solve the first two layers or move these colored edges, these non-yellow edges, into its correct spot. This is, in my opinion, the hardest step. So don't be worried if you can't get it the first time. So in this case, I also want you to learn the left-handed version of the algorithm. So the right-handed version goes like this: R, U, R prime, U prime. The left-hand version goes L prime, U prime, L, U. So I want you to also practice this version as well, because this will be very helpful when solving the edges. So what you want to do is look around the top layer and find an edge piece that does not have yellow on it. So like one of these three right here, because this one has yellow on it. So this one is blue and orange. So you want to align the top so that this front color is aligned with the centerpiece. So this blue would need to go right here to be aligned. And then, as you can see, in order to solve this into here, you would require an F prime move, so that this blue and orange is in the right spot. So in order to move it there, you want to turn the top so you move it away from its correct spot. And then whichever side the slot is on, you want to do the four move sequence. So in this case, since you're moving away from the left side, and this is the spot you want to put it in, you do the algorithm with your left hand first. In order to visualize this better, you can think of it as taking the corner out, like this. And then you rotate so that the slot's now in your right hand, and then you can do the four move sequence again. And now it is solved. And the inverse of this is the opposite. So, for example, you have this green and red here. And then, as you can see, it's supposed to go right here. So you can move it away, like this way. And then instead now, since the slot is in your right hand, you do the four move sequence with your right hand first. So like this. And then you can rotate and then do it with your left hand. So always remember, you do it with your right hand first and then your left hand, or you do it with your left hand first and then your right hand. So finishing off, it's orange and green. You can move this, since this goes in the here, you can move it away. And then since the slot is in your left hand, you do it with your left hand. You rotate and do it with your right hand. And then last one is this one. So this goes here, so you can move it away, right hand, left hand. And then you may come across a case where these two are in the wrong slot. In this case, what you want to do is, like, when there's in the top and there's no non-yellow edges, you can just do the four move sequences from wherever I showed you. So you can just do the algo with your right hand, do the algo with your left hand, and it takes the edge out. And then you can finish this off.